It is a welcoming decision of the Honorable High Court. तो उगडास आसतलो की 19th of January this year 2023, I was the only MLA and legislator who gave in return and demanded for tiger reserves to be demarcated and that all the surrounding villages and villagers to be taken out from there. हांव एकलोच आमदार जो फकत टायगर रिझर्वाचे उलयला, रिकॉर्ड्स काढून चलयले जाल्यार आनी सगळे म्हादयाचे जायते उलयले. And I am the only one who have given in return. I floor of the houseaचे तबोतब बुरोईन लेटर जे I दिले आणि इन्वर्ट केले. And my first point was that the tiger reserve should be demarcated, and that was my only point which I was stressing besides rest all. So I am very happy की हे जाल म्हूण ताबडतोब. आणि म्हाका दिसता हेच्या मुखार सुप्रीम कोर्टूय तेच सांगतलो. जेन्ना सुप्रीम कोर्टा मुखार वयतले जे कोण वयतले तेन्ना सुप्रीम कोर्ट तेंच डिसिजन दितलो आणि हे 3 म्हयन्या भितर जावचे म्हूण सद्या गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटान आता काम चालू करचें.
हे 3 महिन्या भितर करपाक तुम्ही गव्हर्नमेंटाक प्रेशरायज करता?
प्रेशरायज करूंक जाय गव्हर्नमेंटाक आनी सगळ्या लोकांनी करूं जाय, कित्याक दिस इज द ओनली वे टू विन द बॅटल इन कोर्ट इन मादय. टायगर रिझर्व जाले जाल्यार जायते पॉयंट्स टायगर रिझर्वाचे सुटाव जाताय आणि मागीर डायव्हर्टिंग ऑफ नॅचरल रिसोर्सीस जे आहाय ते यू आर नॉट supposed to do. So when you have a tiger reserve, you are diverting a natural river source जो हा तो डायव्हर्ट करता. त्या पॉइंटाचेर कर्नाटका मागीर पेडे जातली, which is one of the major point. So it is a welcoming decision and congratulations to all the people of Goa, to all the activists, to all the political parties who came out on the ground, spoke. Congratulations to Amgalobab Rajendra Kerkar, who has always stood there, आणि गेलो थिंगा टायगर रिझर्व आमकां दाखयली तेणें खूंय कितकोन आतां फॉरेस्टां तो भोंवलो, हांवूय गेलो तेजे बरोबर. सो आय थिंक इट इज अ बिग विक्टरी फॉर बाबा राजेंद्र केरकर and his entire team and for Goa Foundation. Yes, I think Goa Foundation needs a big applause of a clap and a pat on his back for achieving this tiger reserve which is been declared by the High Court.